guys. You guys understand the rule set? We got to hold it for 3 minutes each base. Medic rules. We're going to go. Everyone has two medic lives. Everyone's got medics. We'll go. We've got the attackers have 1 medic life. Or actually, you know what? The defenders have 1 medic life. What do you guys think? Attackers and defenders.
Which is the larger force? Larger force should be attacking.
You guys.
Us. We'll let multi-cam attack. So, cool. All right. So you guys are going to have 2 medic lives. The defenders will have 1. Okay. And then what happens is, after your medic life, you walk back 150 feet, and then reinsert yourself back in the game. Okay. Dead.
Blind man, blind man, blind man.
Hold your fire!
Hey, that means we don't move
Come on! Hit! What? We're friendly?
No, just fist bump.
Oh. I was gonna say, when I got moved.
I'm good.
Friendly! Situation. What?
We have 5 right here, 12. More to probably like 10, 11 o'clock.
Okay.
They're all fucking. What's it called?
All right, let's get our spacing.
Hold on. And we got like 2 or 3 snipers over here.
Well, let's get our spacing and push up. We can't stay here forever. Call it your targets. Target's front, 1 guy. Right there? All right. I got some more targets heading to your left. Your left. You got more targets to your left. Hit! That was not good.
Stevens, game over.
I really want to run this next game.
Game over.
I mean, I'm gonna play there.
You know what I want to do? Play full sport combat shit like children. So when I hit someone, I ran.
Brother, I don't remember. I think it was like 45 or 50 per. I mean, what's new?
I might go for it.
However, fucking limp my
I don't
balls
think it'll
up.
be a problem with you, but try to get a
One
size
time I
bigger than you
fucking
think you
take-
are.
Okay.
What's it called? When we're playing a football.
Like, I think this will fit you
we're
perfectly.
playing fucking.
Me, it fits a little tight, but then again,
So it's like fucking like
I've gained a little
here
bit
to
of
the
weight.
kid, you know what I mean? So I got tapping the
It's totally
shoulders
my
at
fault, so I'm
6.5,
not pissed off at
1-1,
anybody else but myself.
They cut me up pretty good.
It's pretty cool. I might join that.
Yeah, dude, I wasn't fucking pissed off about it.
Look at this fucking queer skipping in here like a goddamn fairy from Disney Story.
I didn't wear the helmet for like the finger stand.
Somebody say queer
Just
fairy?
kept on getting tapped in
Queer
the
fairy?
tapped in the head.
You fucking watch it.
That ass.
I don't know. I don't like
what's up,
wearing
bro?
that shit unless if I have.
Dude, these pants don't have a top
Lighter yard,
button
the
and they're
more fancy
larges because
Yeah, no,
the
but
only
Warm a
mediums they had,
Canadian flag, man.
the only mediums
I
they
got some
had
from the
had like the
Canadians.
But
shrinky,
you might-
stretchy
I
bottoms.
buy this shit.
You
and I use it.
should cut those fucking things.
Yeah.
You ever
Like time now.
Yeah.
I hate
Or I
saying
could
time
try
now,
body-
but I did.
So I have a tomahawk.
I just didn't
Time now.
I just didn't
No, man, they get.
Where? Hey, we got contact on the left side. They're flanking us. All units, we were getting attacked on the left side at the back tire fort. Over. Hey, I got two guys in front of me. They're falling back. They're falling back. I don't see him. I hear him. I don't see him though.
Not that guy.
All right, all right. Loading. Up. Hit. You hit.
No, he's right there.
Okay.
Where were you putting, brother? The wind is not helping at all.
Hell no, it's not. Push my BB to the right now, I think. I can't tell.
Whoa, shit.
Hit! Shit. Oh. Fuckers right in front of us. Shit, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Who's right in front of us? Oh, sorry. No, I got him ready. I hit him again by accident.
Hey, this guy right here, man.
Want me to throw a thunder bee?
Yeah.
Fucking shit worked. Ah, fuck. Ah.
Watch right.
Hit. That was a terrible throw. Ah.
Yeah, you did.
Oh.
You got me right in the head.
Hey.
No, it's a good shot.
Shit.
You guys want to head uphill?
That hill right there?
Take the tire before we just sweep down.
All right. Oh, what the fuck?
Game over.
We still have the fort, right?
Don't we have one fort? Yeah, we have that fort.
Is it 1 4
I thought they chose two. We still have that one right there.
And that wasn't even 3 minutes.
2? Oh, no, we don't.
We don't?
Those are not our guys.
No, Jonathan is.
What?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
ACU.
he is our guy. They haven't
Hey,
even
let
had
them know
that fort
that
for
we
3
still have one
minutes.
fort.
And it hasn't even been 3 minutes.
Fuck this tree.
Fuck this tree.
The fort tree.
Jonathan fucking love this gun. Holy shit. KWA makes good stuff. Good. Fire semi. What happened?
They captured both bases.
What?
No one on this one. There were 3 people on that base. I watched you take it. Yeah, they were
Dude, I'm shooting you in here.
Dude, you have me like right in my fucking headset. I fucking heard that thing.
Sorry. Yeah, see what I did, because I saw 3 guys, so I went full auto. And then I hit you all up here while you were throwing the grenade.
Yeah, you hit me like right here. I fucking hit me right in the headset too.
I was like,
It's really hard to like have a good shot. It's really like
Yeah, we're like right under here, right under the armor.
So here's the thing.
I've done this before.
Good shot though.
You can put that
Fucking good
back
shot.
in my truck. You guys got enough ammo?
Oh, yeah,
I got 6 mags.
I got plenty.
That's like an 8.
Good.
Max.
Chavez, you
Half bag
good?
of this.
You take that back to my truck, please?
I say we head out there now.
We're gonna head out. We're gonna be way the fuck out there. I'm not gonna tell you where we're at. We're gonna be way the fuck out there. Actually, we may go out that way. We may go this way. We're not sure, but we're gonna be good ways out.
All right, can you move to, I'm going to do channel 7 as the admin channel.
I'll move to channel 7.
All right, and then if you guys, I don't know, you guys can communicate however. Channel 7 is going to be admin channel so I can get a hold of you guys. And I'm going to put the other team on a different channel.
Hey, I'll talk to you through him because he's gonna. I don't have radio, so you'll be
The
married.
only one
All
that'll be on the admin channel is us, so we'll all be on 7. My whole team will be on 7.
Okay, cool. All right, and then the other team's going to be on 7 as well.
You're the only one who knows about us, except
The other team's gonna be on 7?
No, I'm going to have one person from their team on 7. And the 7 is not to communicate between you. It's just when you guys need to get a hold of me, when I need to get a hold of you.
Good.
That way, there's no cross communication.
Gotcha. So we won't even communicate with the radios.
Yeah, we'll talk.
We'll talk. All right.
I'm a peacock, dude. You gotta let me fly.
Holy shit. I'm really liking that camouflage. It's interesting. And there he goes.
We have T-minus 30 seconds till game start.
This is Team Chocolate Thunder. I think I dropped my gun back there. This is Team Chocolate Thunder. Never mind. I dropped my dick.
Team Chocolate Thunder reports they're in position. Team Fluffy reports they're in position. Team Alpha is also in position. On my mark, game start.
We're not gonna move yet, guys. We're not gonna move yet.
All right.
This is Team Alpha. We're going left over.
Are they looking at
This
us?
is Team Alpha. We're going left.
No, they're not. They're just chilling. So they're over there with the American flag.
This is Team Alpha. We are going left. Hey, say this is Team Chocolate Thunder. We're going left too.
Hey, this is Team Chocolate Thunder. I thought we were going left.
Stand by. River is masquerading at all times.
Team Thunder is moving up. This is Team Chocolate Thunder. We're moving up.
Oh shit.
Impersonating other personnel on this net. I wish you a sincere and hearty fuck you.
Hey, Tony.
Ah! Contact! Fucking shit.
Hey guys, open guys.
Hey, we're gonna lead them to run into each other. Go.
That's fine.
How many are there? All of them?
Contact for Tony, watch out front! Loading! Up! Up the hill! Fall back!
We gotta go into the brush. Where's the other team at? Hey, look, they're engaging each other.
Yeah, yeah.
Watch out!
Rick! Come here.
Contact, bro!
Come on, come on, come on. Suppressive fire, come on.
Go!
Go, 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 go. Watch it! Return fire! Cover, Tony, come on, let's go!
We're uphill!
Keep on moving left.
Let's go!
Yep. No, he's spreading out, he's spreading out. Shit.
Keep your eyes peeled!
Ah.
Just trying to come on, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Shit.
Hide in the trees.
Ah.
Hey! One team has already been taken out.
They're coming at us, watch it.
So let's move it.
We gotta make a stand soon, man.
What?
Who's got the win?
I could.
What? I'm good. We're good. What's your six? What's your right?
Go.
Yeah, we're getting there. Shit! Damn it! Tired! Shit, contact to the right!
Tom,
Yeah!
get picky up there.
What?
Get picky up there.
Let's go!
Okay, point.
They're trying to cut us off! Yeah.
Get to the vehicles.
All right.
You see our cars up ahead? About 100 meters, 200 meters. I know. Our objective is you, though. We gotta keep moving. We gotta get out of this open area. Okay. Hey, right in front of us! Contact!
Shit! Hit! Medic! Medic! Shit. Here we go, motherfucker. Come on.
Go, let's go!
Come on.
Go.
Go, 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 go. Shit. I hear him, I hear him. Loading! Up! Damn it! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go, covering! Loading! Up!
Ready? Back up.
Go, come on! You see anyone? Where's Tony?
Tony's back up.
He's up ahead?
We only gotta climb up at least.
We gotta keep moving, they're right on top of us.
Go.
Let's go, let's go.
Go, go, go.
When you gotta do.
Yep.
Hey, they're setting up the ambush.
They're setting an ambush?
They're setting up an ambush down that way.
Watch it, there might be an ambush that way.
Keep it towards the cars. Vicky, stay back.
Hey, let's go up next.
What?
Let's go up next.
Okay, okay, hold on. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. It's clear. I don't see anything. Where's the fuck the rest of the team at?
They're trying to cover us.
Okay.
Where's the LZ at?
Right fucking in front of us.
Where's it go? Danger zone.
Go, go, cross, go. Now.
Shit, down the road, down the road. Let's go, let's go. I think we're clear. Come on, we're almost there. Let's go. Come on! What? Is this it? Fuck! Ah, damn it, I thought it was fucking cars.
When we first started, we were everybody together. Come on, let's go.
What? Yeah. My back's killing me. Shit. Fucking hit, bro. Ah, it's back. Fucking back, hold on.
I think this is it, dude.
Huh?
This is where it's at.
Sorry, guys. They're not those.
See fire. I think we made it.
Sure?
Yeah. It's supposed to be here. I think you're in. Ceasefire. Come on, man, son. It was 2 spots. I can't remember which. It was right here or the cars.
So, our plan was
To go way the fuck up there, entire mountain.
our plan was to go around the mountain and come back around. But then Josh's team comes over the mountain.
Fucking, they run into me.
And went all the way around. That was a good one.
Shitty ass Sam.
Hey, AMS practice, bros.
You know, AMS
practice.
pretty much 80% hiking and 20%, 15% pitching and 5% shooting.
I can't remember. Did we make it there? How long were we
Safety
there
on,
for?
Mike out.
Yeah, at least we made it to the LZ.